Hello guys, good day. I'm Gabriel and I'm going to show you how to configure the server and client in DHCP. So the first step we are going to do is to open the terminal in our virtual machine. After opening the terminal, we just go to root by typing the su command. Then type the password. And then after entering the root, we check whether we have already installed the DHCP in our CentOS. In my case, I'm sure that I don't have, so let's just proceed to installation of DHCP by typing the command yum install DHCP. Then we just need to click Y. So now after we install the DHCP, next is we need to configure the interface settings so that we can assign the IP address that we're going to use in the server. Okay guys, so in order for us to configure the settings, we just need to type the command win-etc-sysconfig-network scripts, then ifcfg, then et3. Be sure that the Ethernet is the same as the cable that you're using here. You just need to click this. So et3. Then once we are inside the configuration, we just need to fill in the required details. You can see more detailed tutorial here in the other source. So for now, I just put in the basic configurations. So just type the device name, and then the prototype, broadcast, then we put the broadcast address of the network that we are going to use. In my case, it's the 100.255. Then the IP address of this server is, then the next is the net mask or the subnet mask, then the network, and last is the on. After typing this basic commands, you just need to press the escape semicolon then WQ to save. So then after configuring that, then we just need to first change the network type to adapter so that we can create a single LAN. So just go to the machine settings, then network, then go to click bridge adapter, then okay. Then after changing that, just type the command service network and start. And then after starting, we can see that we have new IP address now here. So, okay guys, so after configuring the IP addresses of the interfaces, next we need to configure the settings of our DHCP. So but additional information is that whether we had an error that in our configurations, we can always check the errors by typing by showing it here. Just type c dash var dash log dash messages. So here, you can see the error here if we have errors in our configuration. So now, so proceeding now, the first step is that we need to configure the args of the DHCP wherein we put the interface that we are going to use in the server. So to do that, type vim -etc sysconfig DHCP, and then as you can see here, I had already inputted it a while ago, the at the cable. So here I put at 3, and to double check whether we have the right cable, you just click here. So at 3. So after that, you just need to semicolon WQ enter. Then after that, next is the configuration of the DHCP ranges, or how can I say this, is the ranges of the IP that we're going to use in the network. So to do that, just go inside the DHCP configuration, vim-etc-dhcp- here. So after input entering here, you can see my pre-settings here. So the first is the subnet, and subnet means the network of the network itself. So 100.0, then it's subnet mask, then here, then type range, the range of the networks that we are going to use. In my case, I used 50 to 254, and then additionally, after putting the range, just click the semicolon here, and then take note that sometimes it's a common error that we put dash here like this. So if you put this one, we are going to have an error in the running, and the DHCP will not run. So we just need to remove this. So just be careful about that. Then after putting the range, put the broadcast address of the network, which is the 255, and then the default gateway, so or option routers. So after that, close it with the close parenthesis, and then just save it. After saving it, then we can now start the DHCP. So to start, just type service DHCPD, then start. So you can see that there's no confirmation that it was already started. So meaning that I had already started my DHCP. So I just need to stop it first. Then let's start here. So you can see that the DHCP has started. So meaning that right now we have now a server for our DHCP. So in order for us to verify whether we had successfully created a server, we need another virtual machine that has a CentOS, or or we can also have a dual virtual. In my case, my PC can do the dual, so I'm just going to show you the settings in the client, so that wherein if I put here like this, so assume that this is now the client. You just need to type this command. Just go to the settings of the ifconfig here. Wait, let me load it first. Oh, no, never mind, I'll type it. So just go to the configuration of the IP address, -bin-etc sysconfig. You can see that whenever I click letters, I click tab. By clicking the tab button, you can see here some guides, or some guides wherein you can see the available files inside. We just type networks here, and here the network, the scripts, the IFCFG, and the cable. And then here, we just need to change this one static to DHCP. If we after changing that, we just need to just save it. Then type the service network restart. I'm going to show you that later. So that's it. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome to the last part of my tutorial about DHCP. So this time I'm going to show you that after creating the server, the client will be able to get the IP automatically. So to do that, first we need to start the DHCP server on the server. In this screen, on my left is the server and on the right is the client. So first, I'm going to start the DHCP which we configure a while ago. So just go to service DHCP. And if something like this occur, just type this command. Okay. The echo 0 greater than the Linux enforce, and then just run. Okay, so right now the server is running. So on the others, so first I'm going to show you that I have different IP on my client. Here. So as you can see, the IP address is 101.3 and the IP range of our server is is 100.50. So if I connect this DHCP through DHCP, the other should be around here. So to do that, we need to configure version network settings here. Be sure that the networking is enabled, and then just save. Then go to the interface of the Ether channel that you're using. In my case, it's E3. And then just change this boot proto to DHCP, and then that's it. Just save here. As you can see, if I put the DHCP command here, the other commands will be neglected. So from 101.3 to it should be within this range. After just save, then service network restart. So I just need to wait. Control C to make it faster. So we just need to wait. Admin tayo tagay. We should just wait here to make the connection up. Sometimes it will take long. You just need to be patient. Here it says connected. Yeah. So right now we are connected. So let's see. Here. So As you can see, the client now has new IP from 101 to 100.50, wherein the range from our server here says from 50 to that, but 254. So that's it. So yeah, so after doing this lab, I hope you learned something. And if you want to pursue more knowledge about DHCP, you can just browse the internet or study my PDF, which you can see below the link. Just download it. And I hope you enjoy my study. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. So that's it. Once again, I'm Gabriel Jesus, and thank you for watching. Bye.